What if you could sell just one digital product every single day and turn that into $27,000 this year? How about $27,000 in a month, in a day, perhaps even an hour, without ads, without a fancy funnel, and without a huge audience? It's not a pipe dream. It's just simple math combined with a really smart strategy. And I'm going to show you just how to do it. Hey friends, I'm Angela, former teacher, woman of faith, and now full-time creator, helping women just like you start and grow a simple online business that brings in real income using just the skills, experience, and story that you already have. And I know you're probably thinking, Angela, I'm a mom. I work a 9-to-5. I have so many responsibilities. Is this really possible for me? And yes, it is possible for you. I get it because I've been the woman drowning in lesson plans, having all the things that I had to do being a teacher, laundry, date night, getting the kids to orchestra practice. And I always ask myself during that time, it was really stuck in the back of my mind, maybe next year, maybe I'll get to it. Maybe it'll happen for me. That creator dream where you can just make money doing what you love passively online. And because that was my dream, that's exactly how I built my creator business. So it can fit my real life. And I'm super excited because it works. It fits real life for real women who want to honor God, serve people, and build something that truly changes the financial future for your family. So in this video, I'm breaking exactly how to take one simple digital product and use one easy plan and to focus on just one traffic strategy. I'm going to tell you what that traffic strategy is in just a bit. There are 3 that I'm going to share with you, so stick around. You're going to want to hear this so that you can start making daily sales on that one digital product. First to 1,000 and then to 10,000 and then beyond. Yes, even $27,000. Whether you want to make that in a year, in a month, in a day, perhaps even an hour. Let's start with the $27,000 math and belief shift. And this strategy will be based on making $27,000 in a year. But first, we have to get rid of the overwhelm because I know that's the one thing that is holding you back. Remember, we're talking about one digital product. So let's cover one digital product, one sale a day. That's it. One single product, one sale a day. That's it. Now, if your product is $27 and you sell just one every day for a year, that's almost $10,000, right? Sell 3 a day, you're over $29,000. And that's with just one simple product. We got to keep it simple because you have a lot going on. You can't do complicated right now. I got you. You see, the problem isn't your idea. Sis, you've got lots. And if you don't have a product yet, I got you covered there too. The real issue is that most people are trying to do too much at once. And that is what's causing the problem. They want to build 10 products, launch a huge funnel, run complicated ads, which I am not a proponent of. But what if you just went all in on one product and put it in front of the right people every single day? That really is the key because that's how daily sales become inevitable. Inevitable. So now that you see the $27,000 product and shift, let's talk about the traffic strategy. This strategy is what I call attracted traffic. Instead of chasing people, you are putting your digital product where they are already looking for help. That is huge. So I want you to pick one platform, just one, just one. Either YouTube for a long game, which is based on search and trust. You can choose Instagram for fast engagement and direct DM. Or you can choose Pinterest for daily passive clicks right to your product. I want you to decide which perfect fit platform is going to be best for you, your gifts, your talents, your personality. When I was teaching, I didn't have time to be on all three. I started with YouTube because I've had a mic in my hand since I was a child. So pressing record was never going to be an issue for me. I picked something that I could actually commit to. It's not about being everywhere. It's about being somewhere consistently. And it's that consistency that you're going to put into this simple daily plan. Let's talk about your simple daily plan. So here's exactly what you should do if you've only got 30 minutes a day. Whatever platform you choose, whatever perfect fit platform is best for you, whether it be YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest, I want you to post one piece of content on that platform. If you are on YouTube, it could be a short. If you are on Instagram, it can be a reel. If you are on Pinterest, it could be a pin. Now, be very careful about shorts. Shorts has its own specific strategy. Now, if you can, it's better to post long form content on YouTube. Somewhere between 8 and 12 minutes is the sweet spot. If you can, but if you can't, and you only can get a short out, which is between 30 seconds and 3 minutes, something is better than nothing. But really try to lean in on that long form video if you are on YouTube. I'll talk about the difference between a long form content strategy and a short strategy on YouTube in another video. But for now, you got to get consistent. What are we doing? One piece of content on the platform of your choice. Make sure whatever you post is super engaging. You want to engage with your audience. Reply to every comment. Reply to every DM. That's where the sales happen. You got to connect with your people. And when you do, when you start engaging in those rich, valuable conversations, remind your audience about your product. And how do you do that? Give them the link to the exact page where they go to purchase it. Not a full-fledged, sophisticated, highly technical website. Don't do that to your people. They need to get to the solution real fast, and you're going to get it to them real fast by getting the link to them that goes directly to the product where they will check out, honey. That's it. Simple, repeatable, and it stacks. Listen, you know this as well as I do. God is not the author of confusion. He gives us clarity so we can build wisely and steward well and still have time for what matters most. And you can focus in on what's important in your life and make money to the tune of $27,000 on one simple digital product. Here's the truth. You don't need another freebie. You don't need to binge another week of how-to videos. You need a real structure that sells. And good news, my instant digital product template gives you the exact pages that turn your idea into a product people actually will buy. And it gives you the sections that are already laid out that positions you as the go-to solution. And it gives you a simple layout that you can customize in an hour. You can literally have a $27,000 product in your hand in an hour so you can finally launch. It's the shortcut I wish I had when I started out. Now, you can keep telling yourself, I'll figure it out when things slow down. But let's be honest, when is that actually going to happen? Because you and I both know things are not going to slow down. It's not going to happen. So this is your moment to turn your knowledge into income. Not 6 months from now, not next year. Today, sis. You can actually do this today. So grab the instant digital product template right now. The link is in the description so that you can launch your product. Let's start stacking those daily sales together. You got this. Because you got me. Go ahead and type in the comments the word one for one digital product. If you are ready to start making daily sales from one digital product. Or tell me which platform you want to master first. Do you want to go all in with YouTube, Instagram, or Pinterest? So I can drop more videos for you and help you get to where you want to be much farther and much faster. Now, I know it was a lot to take in. I did it. You can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. But if you want to see how it really truly is all possible, I want you to watch this video right here, and it'll change your mind. It'll prove you can make money right now, even with a small audience. It's Angela here, and until next time, always be creating. Here's your video. Bye for now.